Plowing your way through to affiliate marketing success. Attempting to learn about something like affiliate marketing can be quite difficult, and that's because there's just so much misinformation out there. A lot of people want to sell you on their useless products, so they only tell you a part of the story. Check out this video and find out about affiliate marketing, what those other guys aren't telling you. You should talk to people who have joined the affiliate program you are considering to avoid any fraud. Ask them how much money they make, and if they are always paid on time. You can also learn a lot from experienced workers about sales techniques and how to make more sales. Form a plan. Much like you would for anything else that you undertake, sit down and come up with a simple marketing plan. Who do you know that can help you spread the word about your new site? How can you get your name out there for people to see? A great affiliate marketing tip is to work with a company that offers a lifetime commission. With a lifetime commission, if a customer purchases a product a year later, you'll still make money from the referral. There are still a lot of companies that offer a lifetime commission, so do your research and try to find them. As part of your internet marketing plan, consider including a surprise freebie with every purchase you ship out. This freebie need not be particularly valuable. It could be a branded promotional item or surplus inventory you need to get rid of. The surprise is the important thing. A surprise freebie will make customers think better of you and encourage them to come back and buy again. There are no real secrets in affiliate marketing. There are just tight-lipped people who would rather have your money than give you any advice. Use these tips to help push your marketing efforts to the next level. With the right information and a whole lot of drive, you will succeed at your goals. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.